Good morning. We will pay attention to discount received from creditors when we pay our account in time to receive the discount. It is very important to determine whether the amount provided is the total debt or whether it is the amount paid. Receive 10% discount on a debt of 810. So that means the debt is given. Of that debt, we want to allow 10% discount, so the discount will be 81 Rand. Receive 810 Rand after 10% discount was allowed. Now you only receive 90% of the total debt. So that means we will say 10 divided by 90 to work out that the discount is 90 Rand. On 31 May, Mamelodi Traders paid 480 to Michael Traders after 20% discount was allowed. So the amount given is the amount that we paid. The total debt would be 100%, discount is 20%, and we paid 80%. The amount paid was given, so next to the word paid, we will show that 80% equals 480 Rand. If I want to calculate the discount, the percentage that I want at the top, the percentage that I know at the bottom, times 480. So 480 times 20 divided by 80 will give me 120 Rand. The total debt for the creditor was 600 Rand. In the ledger, we will indicate the balance of the creditors on the credit side as 600. We paid 480, so we reduced the creditors with 480, and the bank was credited with 480 to indicate that the money in the bank reduced. We will also debit creditors control with 120 to indicate that this full 600 was paid and that we don't owe them any more money. This discount that we record in the creditors control will be posted to the credit side of discount received, because discount received is an income and income increases on the credit side. The creditors control is debited to reduce the liability with the 480 that we paid. Bank is credited to reduce the asset because we have less money in the bank. We use a check counterfoil and we record it in the cash payments journal. We will also debit the creditors control with a discount to show that the liabilities decrease. Discount received is an income. Income increases profits, so the owner's equity will increase with 120 Rand. On 31 May, Mamelodi Traders issued a check to Michael Traders to pay a debt of 480. So now they give us the debt and not the outstanding amount, and we paid them after we received 20% discount. The total debt is 100%, and they tell us that that amount equals to 480 Rand. Discount received is 20, so the amount that we paid is only 80% of the debt. If we want to calculate the discount received, we will take the percentage that we want to calculate, 20, divided by the percentage that we know, 100, times 480, and that will give me 96 Rand. The creditors control will have a balance of 480. We will debit creditors control to reduce the liability with the 380 that we pay, and we will credit the bank with the 380. Then we will also decrease the creditors control with the 96 Rand, and we will credit discount received with 96 Rand to increase the income on the credit side. Creditors control was debited to decrease liabilities. Bank is credited to decrease assets. and we issue a check and we record it in the cash payments journal. Creditors control is debited with the discount that was received, so that the creditors will decrease with the 96. Discount received is an income, so equity will increase with 96. When discount received is calculated, you must determine whether the amount paid or whether the outstanding debt is provided. The debt creditors control is debited to reduce the liability. The bank is credited to reduce the asset because we have less money in the bank. Discount received is credited to increase the income that will increase profits.